Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a reliable app that supports photo-based translation, then make sure language packs are downloaded so you can work offline. Once done, grant the app camera and storage permissions, set the camera to the highest resolution, and position your device so the text fills the frame. Make sure lighting is even, remove glare, and steady your hands or use a small tripod. This improves OCR accuracy dramatically, which saves time in the next steps. You now import or capture the photo inside the translation app, making sure auto-detect for the source language is on so the app can recognize unfamiliar scripts. Once captured, crop tightly to the text block and rotate to correct orientation. This narrows OCR scope and improves results. After recognition, choose your target language, run the translation, and review the recognized text. Correct obvious OCR mistakes before accepting translation, because small fixes here produce far more accurate final output. You complete the task by proofreading the translated text, and when precision matters, running a quick back translation to confirm meaning. Once satisfied, save or export the result as text, PDF, or an annotated image, or copy it to the clipboard for immediate use. Make sure to label files with language tags so you can find them later. If things go wrong and OCR missed words, retake the photo with better lighting and closer framing, or type the critical line manually. This usually fixes stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.